Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel. You are watching AWS Card Clash, which is an architecture card based video game. I hope you enjoyed both level 1 and 2, and let's do level 3 in this particular video. And this level is going to be about serverless to-do list. So this architecture involves serverless services. Build a streamlined to-do list web app that a registered user can use to create, update, view, and delete items. And what are the cards or services that are involved in here? You will have an API gateway, Cognito, DynamoDB, Lambda, and Route 53, which we'll see. And we have IAM security cards. So let's go ahead and start the game. And if you have noticed, they all are serverless services. All right, here is our architecture diagram. Opponent is already playing. Let's see what he is going to place. Oh, he has 5 energy. No, Lambda. Okay. Let's get to our round, then I will explain you. So this is our architecture diagram, as you already know. It has a DNS and the pregnance. You already know the DNS service on AWS. What is it? Route 53. And then you have your mobile devices and authentication. Since this authentication is not for AWS services, this authentication is for your web app or mobile app. And what service do you guys use to authenticate yourself against a web app or mobile app? You will use AWS Cognito. Cognito is the service that you will use to sign up or user sign up to your mobile apps and web apps. Then you have your to-do API here. So you have Route 53, then you have your Cognito. Once you logged into it, now you want to access, or let's say you want to enter your to-do item. So obviously you are going to, here you are using an API. And what is the, whenever you think of API, which service should come to your mind? AWS, Amazon API, Gateway API. And then you have different methods on the API. If you want to add an item, you will hit the add to do method. And if you want to get to do, if you want to update or delete, respective. But how are you going to do those? You will make a call to the API. API will trigger these Lambda functions, right? And where are you storing all these things? In a NoSQL database, which is the DynamoDB. So that's the architecture. This is a serverless, complete serverless. You are not using any fully managed or managed services. So remember that. Again, Route 53, Cognito, API Gateway API, Lambdas, and DynamoDB. So now we have an energy card. So let's use it, which is awesome. And we don't need EC2 because this is all about serverless. So let's grab them. Yes, we do have Route 53. Let's put it there. And let's protect it because that guy might steal. And we are going to use what card? IAM card to protect this Route 53. So let's protect it, and we have the appropriate energy. Let's leave that because I would need this card to protect others as well. Click end turn. In general, for serverless services, you won't have, or at least for these services, you don't need a security group. Okay, so this guy plays 2 lambdas and they only get 1 point. I can steal his lambda, but let's concentrate on our game first. We have a DynamoDB. Let's place it. We got 3, and let's protect it so that he don't steal it. So both are protected, so we are good. Now, if I have to steal his lambda, it would need at least 2. Instead, let's go ahead and place 1 lambda for us. Actually, I won't place it. It's okay, leave it. I'll just end the turn. The reason I did it is he might steal my lambda. Even though there is empty slot, the AI always see he would have stolen mine. And I don't have that many points to, put it there if he steals. So let's leave it. Thank you. I got 3 energy again. Let's play it. I already have DynamoDB, so let's scrap it. Again, I got lambdas. So we can steal now because we have that energy. So I can steal it with 2 points. And then I can protect it with 1 point. I can steal that with 2 points, but I won't be able to protect it. So I will leave it right now. So you see 7 points. Our 7 points are not going to change because we protected it, whereas he didn't. So I can steal it in the next round as well. Hoping I will get my energy card. And I have plenty of cards in my stack. I can scrap anything I want. See, he's getting nice. Oh, he protected it. See, he's smart. Okay, now this is going to destroy his Lambda. He can't do anything to ours because it's already protected. That is good. See, that's why I don't put something that's, oh, we didn't get any energy. That's not good. We already have it, scrape it. I can put the gateway API, but he can steal it. I can put the Cognito, but he can steal it. I don't have the energy to both put and protect it. What should I do? It's okay. Let's see. I'm going to put it, and let's hope I'll scrape this. Let's hope he doesn't steal it. If he has to steal it, he needs to spend 4 points. Oh my goodness, he got 8. He had so many points. If he had API gateway, he would have easily put it. So I didn't get any energy cards. I did get only this one, which is bad. But let's protect our, at least this one. And Lambda, we have plenty of this. I don't need this. If I had enough points, I would have ended the game easily, but I don't have 4 points. If I had 4, I would have ended the game and we would have won. So let's end it again. It's okay. Even if he puts a Lambda, that's good for us. Put Lambda. Put Lambda. Yes, good. Please give me an energy card. Give me an energy card. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This needs at least 3. And we don't have 3. We only have 2. So I cannot place. Even though I have the card, I cannot place it. So scrape this. Why? Because I already have another one. I don't need this. Scrape this. I don't need this. Scrape this. I can steal his Lambda though. Let's say if he puts it, he gets 6 points. We will win, but we won't get the 3 stars. Anyways, I already have the 3 stars, so I will just risk it. Lambda, I don't want to use Lambda. I don't need this because my last round I don't need to protect. And fingers crossed, let's hope he will not get Cognito. He has so many and so much energy. Yeah, I don't have it. He don't have it. He don't have it. We won the game. I don't need this. I already have 3 points. We won the game. 13. More than 65%. Yes. So you see the architecture, right? This is where the users start. And if in order them to point you to or route you to your API, they need to know. So that's where the routing happens in the route 53. And your mobile device or that app has a user login. So that's where the Cognito comes into picture. Once you log in, by when you enter your username password, it will go to the Cognito and it will authenticate you. And then when you try to add an item or whatever you want to do, the route 53, it will be like, oh, this guy wants this one, then it will route to that, and based on whatever method, the Lambda will execute, and then it will store or delete or update in your DynamoDB database. So that's the architecture. I hope you enjoyed it. What is this? Oh, to see closer. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, go ahead and take it. And what is this? I never clicked on it. Okay, this is the explanation of it. So if you want, go ahead and get that explanation as well. Let's end it. Game finished. Okay, anyways, it's showing that now. The match summary, we got more than 65, 80%. So 3 stars, obviously. And this one, I'm thinking this is how the gorilla, how many he destroyed or attacked only once. And you can see it. Let's end it. Let's continue. So that's about this level. I hope you enjoyed this serverless services architecture. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, because those are important. That will really help this channel grow and add more awesome content like this. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Go do that, and see you in the next video. All the best for your certification exam. Have a great day. Peace out.